This is the Blast from the Past storyboard presentation. Our IDM overview, students will focus on evaluating historical narratives, summarizing historical documents, and identifying the biases that different groups face as they advance through life. Due to this essential standard being heavily focused on reflecting on narratives, each subtopic will include an area for students to respond to the interactive field trip and comparing the past conditions that they witnessed in the field trip to the present day conditions. We pride our product on having a very simple layout so that it can be easily used by middle grade students and their teachers. We have four major components within our product. The first is the interactive field trip. This will take users to not only a different place but also a different time period. The source reviews. These are reading materials from online sources that will supplement the interactive field trip. The thought wall, a place where students will write their immediate thoughts to the readings that the teacher may have assigned using Padlet, and the interactive field trip response. Students will compare how what they witnessed during the field trip compares to standards of the present time. The first screen we're at is the actual login screen. This is the login screen for the teachers and for the students. It also displays a compelling question that will be referred back to after each subtopic. What rights should workers have? Each of the topics will begin with a source review that will show a few primary sources. These primary sources are things that have been written, said, or belong to people from a specific time period. These sources let us know how people felt about a specific topic. After each primary source, there will be a question and answer in the box. Students will type their response under their question. This page just serves as an actual example of what a source review page would look like. These following 3 pages are actually source reviews, and they also include the question for students to actually answer. All of the source reviews expand on child labor laws and factory standards. We will also have a thought wall component that will be linked to a class Padlet wall. Students will be able to respond and offer their opinion and ask questions as they progress through the model. We made the decision to only include knowledge check at the end of the model instead of after each subtopic. This will motivate students to pay attention to the content and not focus so heavily on the formative assessment.